Looking for Nerf gun and ammo to buy on Cyber Monday? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best deals you should consider. And the best part? We did all the work for you. Just click this link below and get real-time prices and discounts on your favorite products. Number 1, Refilled Darts 1000 Pieces Ammo Bulk Bullets Pack. The Nerf AccuStrike Elite Series, Blue, by Amosting. Number 2, Experience intense head-to-head competition. With the ultimate power of the Nerf Rival Atlas 16 1200 blaster. Choose a blaster color, and go into battle as the red team or the blue team. Buy now. Number 3, kids can strike with confidence and skill, as they fire darts designed for accuracy. The Nerf AccuStrike Elite RaptorStrike blaster is part of the AccuStrike series, which features darts designed for greater accuracy. Cyber Monday 2018 is already here. Click this link below for real-time prices and offers. Get yours now.